In this video, I'm going to give you 5 altcoins to watch for March 2023. We've got some big things happening on a macroeconomic front. Of course, the Feds. We're always watching to see what happens with that and how it impacts our markets at large. But 5 altcoins that have some interesting things happening this month and certainly should be some ones to watch. We're going to dive into those right now in this video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe down below. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Top 5 altcoins to watch March 2023. And this is bncrypto.com's list. They've done a nice job with this. I've been following and tracking this for about 4 or 5 months now. Number 1 is Optimism. Now, if you guys know about Optimism, you may have heard some big things happening with Optimism and Base, which is coming out of Coinbase. Now, the first protocol upgrade of Optimism mainnet is going to go live on March 15th. The so-called Bedrock upgrade will provide simplicity, modularity, and positively impact security and performance. It's a preparatory step for the multi-chain future of Optimism. The upgrade is expected to take around 4 hours, and it is ranked in the top 60 right now, Optimism is, and it's had a really nice first few months of 2023. The OP price is likely in wave 4 or 5, wave upward momentum right now. The most likely level for the correction to end would be at the $2.10 mark support area. If we did come down there, which is in a sub-wave 4 territory, then the increase could continue all the way to $3.80. So certainly keep your eyes on Optimism. We'll go over and take a quick look, take a quick peek at the price, $2.78 right now. So keep your eye on Optimism. And again, they had some really big things happen recently with Coinbase. So if you just search Optimism, Coinbase, you'll kind of see what happened here. Oh, that's not, there we go. There we go. So Optimism DEX Velodrome generates weekly record fees following Coinbase announcement. Coinbase said in a post last week, it's launching Base, another layer 2 network built using the Optimism technology. So certainly one to watch. Now, number 2, Polygon, one of my favorites, the household name, in my opinion, in L2s. Polygon Matic, it's preparing for a mainnet launch. On March 27th, the Polygon network will launch Polygon ZK EVM mainnet beta, described as the future of Ethereum scaling. Developers can copy paste code that works on Ethereum that will work seamlessly on Polygon's rollup. Now, the Polygon price broke down from an ascending support line, fell to $1.28, which is horizontal resistance area. Unless it reclaims the ladder, the trend is considered bearish right now, but that's going to provide us a big opportunity perhaps to load up on Polygon if it's an asset you too believe in. Do your own research. It's one that I've been talking about and digging into since 2021. Love the future of Polygon, in my personal opinion. Filecoin network upgrade coming in March as well, March 14th to be exact. The new upgrade will be coming to Filecoin. The price is validating an ascending channel as support on the green icon right in here with Filecoin, looking pretty solid right now. As long as the price trades above this channel that we're channeling in right now, $9 could be expected for the price of Filecoin right now. If we take a look at Filecoin on the big board, ranked number 27, sitting at around $7 and actually up about 5% here on the day. Now, bouncing back in here, Vechain, another one of my favorites, presents the Hive Summit, which is going to be held on March 4th, just a few days from now. It's a platform for discussion and ideas for future-centered ideas around Web3 and sustainable development. The Vechain Foundation presents the summit. Sunny Liu, the founder of Vechain, and Antonio Senator, the CEO of Vechain Foundation, will be the 2 main speakers at the event. So keep your eye on Vechain. And right now, Vechain, take a look at the price action. Vechain sitting there at almost 3 cents, sitting at rank number 32. Love the future of Vechain as well. And Decentraland, an altcoin that's hosting Fashion Week. That's right. The Metaverse Fashion Week is going to be held in late March in Decentraland. For the first time, the event will offer interoperability between virtual worlds. Besides Decentraland, designers can appear in the spatial and over metaverses as well. The Decentraland price has fallen below a descending resistance line since the beginning of February. If the price breaks down from the support area, it could fall to 61 cents and maybe even go down to, excuse me, if it falls below the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement support, we could be seeing about 50 cents on a price target for Decentraland. So again, we're looking at, some major events happening around these cryptocurrencies, but I'm bullish on all of these cryptos personally. And I hold a good amount of these. I hold Decentraland, I hold Vechain. I don't have any Filecoin right now. I did make a nice little swing trade, but I'm waiting for that to kind of dip and maybe load up on a long-term bag. Polygon, long-term hold for me. Optimism, same thing, kind of waiting for my opportunity to get in there. But top 5 altcoins, at least 5 for you to watch in 2023, keeping you up to speed on all the news and information surrounding these 5, and always talking about crypto right here on the channel. So if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you do so down below. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.